Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to check who viewed your featured collections on Facebook. Now guys, this is very simple and it's a great way to knowing who are your Facebook profile visitors. So if you have a collection on your page, people are likely to view it, and then those people who are viewing it are likely to be your profile visitors. So for those of you asking me how to check who are your profile visitors, this can be of great help for you. So first of all, if you want to add a new Facebook collection, all you have to do is to click on this new button icon, click on that, and then you can now be able to add multiple photos to your collection. So once you have a Facebook collection, you're going to find it here. So right now I have two Facebook collections, and if I want to check the views they are having, all I have to do is to click on them. And if I do that, you're going to notice at the bottom left corner of your screen there is this viewer option there. So I'm just going to tap on this, and then you're going to see I have this featured collection has 26 viewers. So, and you can see all the viewers appearing here. So guys, this is how to check who views your featured collection on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful in any way. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.